Hey everybody, how's it going? This is Dani, the Wicked Awesome Gardener, and I'm here today with a mail call, one of my favorite things, and also a little bit of a note of kind of like where I've been for the last 2 weeks because I haven't posted a video. I think it really is that fall just gets very busy for me. This happened last fall, although this is to a much lesser extent. Yeah, you're seeing me scratch my nose here. This is going to be a no edit video, just one shot and done. Last year I was very busy. I was doing 2 shows at the same time all through the summer and the fall, and that was just too much. So I decided this summer I would only do 2 shows at once during the summer. Now I'm just down to 1 show. Last year I also did softball while doing those shows and a full-time job and everything else, and fall ball. As of 2 weeks from this past Friday, well, 2 weeks from today, I will be all done with theater aside from my board meeting duties, pretty much until January, I think, which is auditions for the next show that I want to be in, which is Next to Normal. But a couple weeks from now, I'll be playing Margaret White, Carrie's mother, in Carrie the Musical, which is going to be really cool. I haven't posted a video in the last couple of weeks because honestly, summer was so busy, and with the pain that I've been in, I know I mentioned it in an earlier video, my physical therapist's definition is that I've been busting my butt for so long. I have literally busted my butt. Every muscle in my backside is just messed up. So it's going to take probably about 3 months of physical therapy to hopefully take care of those pain issues. So trying to rest up, being like kind of in recovery mode from one of the musicals while rehearsing another musical and working 45 hours a week all over the summer. I've been doing things with the chickens, I've been doing things with the garden, but mostly I've just been relaxing. So I haven't posted anything. Just to summon up the energy. The energy was not there, but this weekend, I went someplace really cool. I went to the Homesteaders of New England conference in Greenfield, New Hampshire, hosted by the Mindful Homestead. Got to meet Jack from the Mindful Homestead. Also, Kay and Ost from Homesteady, which was really cool. I talked to somebody from Murray McMurray Hatchery. I got myself some farm fresh bacon, which I'm going to cook up for you guys. Dinner tonight is definitely a BLT. So yeah, I did some really cool stuff while I was there. It was very small, but it was a very successful conference for it being the first year. They had over 500 attendees, I believe. I know they sold at least 400 pre-sale tickets and then a bunch at the door. So very well attended. There were some really great speakers. I learned a lot of new things, and I got a new tomato. Of course, but this one's got a fun story. And that will come up. I'm going to do a tomato seed saving video. It's in the works, so I will get there probably later this week when we come up with that, and that's going to be a really fun story. I shot a lot of video at this conference, and I'm going to put together a highlight reel for you. Lots of fun. It was kind of like training day for HOA. HOA is going to be like Homesteaders of New England on steroids. But to my mail call, look at this box. And this is something that I won on Andale Homestead's, I think it was her monetization live. And wow, has Anne exploded this month. She got a mention from Lester on his YouTube, and that kind of blew her up. And now I swear she's gonna be, I haven't checked because I've been so busy this weekend, but she's got to be close to 6,000 subscribers. And I'll tell you what, it couldn't happen to a nicer person. I live near the police station, so every time we hear a siren, every time they leave the station, it's just, woo, sirens off. But like I said, it couldn't happen to a nicer person. Ann Dale is about the sweetest, most genuine person you are ever like to find on the internet. I call her my sweet Southern cinnamon roll. She's just the nicest. And so, yes, she had a huge party on her live, and God, she must have had 120 people in there at some point. nearly 130. That's like really good. I'm so excited for her. But one of the things I won, one of the things that she gave away that I happened to win is this mug from Hedgehog's Homestead. Look at it, it's so cute. There were a couple of options, but I definitely had to have Hedgie. Like, look at Hedgie, so cute. And it's blue. Oh, there's my dog, sorry for that. Hey, Mia, come make an appearance. She coming? Is she coming? There she is. I know you guys love Mia, and since I haven't had any lives in a while, she hasn't made an appearance, but there she is. But yes, I love my Hedgie mug. This came from Laura. It was donated to Anne's Live from Hedgehog's Homestead. So I'm just really excited to have it. I am not a coffee drinker, but this will be my dedicated cocoa mug. So, all right, guys, that's about it. Get ready for a lot of content, a really great highlight reel from Homesteaders of New England. I'm definitely going to try to do a lot of lives when I'm at HOA next month. Please do, if you're going to HOA, comment down below. I'd really love to connect with you guys and try to find you somewhere in that big, throng. I'm also going to be back to doing lives very soon. Once I'm done with theater for the summer, which will be, like I said, in about 2 weeks, I'll be going back to doing lives. So I'm definitely going to do one the first Wednesday in October. Yeah, I think so. The first Wednesday in October, I should be able to do a live. And then I may do a live on the second Wednesday in October, but that might be, just a quick little thing because I will be on my way driving down to Virginia to Front Royal to be there for Thursday morning, hopefully. But all right, guys, I will see you in our next video. I'm going to talk about that seed saving and that fun tomato with a really fun story that I got. All right, see you guys later. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, give me a comment down below. Hi, nice to see you, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.